Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, November 7th. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's reflection, today's essay, is titled To Marry One's Soul. Being true to who we are means carrying our spirit like a candle in the center of our darkness. If we are to live without silencing or numbing essential parts of who we are, a vow must be invoked and upheld with oneself. The same commitments we pronounce when embarking on a marriage can be understood internally as a devotion to the care of one's soul, to have and to hold, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part. This means staying committed to your inner path. This means not separating from yourself when things get tough or confusing. This means accepting and embracing your faults and limitations. It means loving yourself no matter how others see you. It means cherishing the unchangeable radiance that lives within you, no matter the cuts and bruises along the way. It means binding your life with a solemn pledge to the truth of your soul. It is interesting that the nautical definition of marry is to join two ropes end to end by interweaving their strands. To marry one's soul suggests that we interweave the life of our spirit with the life of our psychology, the life of our heart with the life of our mind, the life of our faith, and the truth with the life of our doubt and anxiety. And just as two ropes that are married create a tie that is twice as strong, when we marry our humanness to our spirit, we create a life that is doubly strong in the world. Wow, I love this. So take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix in this moment. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. And see if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now being quiet, breathing gently, feel what it means to you to be centered. Reflect on the fact that being centered includes your confusions and worries, the way a lake is a home for many birds and fish. And breathing gently, softly, let your breath be the water that allows everything in you to coexist peacefully. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of your practice, notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. And as always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.